Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we will discuss most repeated and most important MCQs in Federal Board about figure of speech. So let's begin with the MCQs. Following are the MCQs based on simile. Identify the simile. She is as bright as sun. This sentence contains metaphor, simile, personification or hyperbole. Simile is the right option. Which sentence contains a simile? The world is a stage. Her smile is like a sunshine. The clock laughed at my laziness. He has a heart of stone. The correct option is her smile is like sunshine. He fought like a lion. What is figure of speech? Simile, hyperbole, irony or alliteration? The correct option is simile. A simile always uses as or like, is or was, exaggeration or sound effects. As or like is the right option. Identify the simile. He is a shining star. She sings like a bird. The flowers danced in the wind. Silence roared in the room. She sings like a bird is the right option. Following are the MCQs based on metaphor. Which sentence contains a metaphor? The assignment was a piece of cake. He is as strong as an ox. The correct option is the assignment was a piece of cake. Time is money. This is example of simile, metaphor, hyperbole or personification. Metaphor is the correct answer. The classroom was a zoo. What is figure of speech? Metaphor, irony, simile, alliteration. Metaphor is the right answer. A metaphor compares two things using directly, using like, using as, or by exaggeration. A metaphor compares two things by directly. Which of these is a metaphor? He runs like a cheetah. Her voice is music to my ears. The leaves whispered in the wind. He is as brave as lion. Metaphor is her voice is music to my ears. Following are the MCQs based on personification. Identify the personification. The wind whispered through the trees. Metaphor, simile, personification or irony. Personification is the right answer. Which sentence uses personification? The stars danced in the sky. The cat is as quiet as a mouse. He eats like a horse. This is the best day ever. The correct answer is the stars danced in the sky. The flowers nodded in the agreement. This is an example of personification, hyperbole, metaphor or simile. The correct option is personification. Personification means given human qualities to animals, non-living things, both A and B or none of the above. Both A and B are the right answers. Which of the following shows personification? The sun smiled down on us. She is as pretty as a picture. His laughter was a thunderous. The train was faster than the bullet. The sun smiled down on us is the right answer. Following are the MCQs based on hyperbole. I have told you a million times. This is an example of hyperbole, simile, metaphor or onomatopoeia. Hyperbole is the right answer. Hyperbole is a figure of speech that involves exaggeration, comparison, sound effects. Hyperbole is a figure of speech that involves exaggeration. Identify the hyperbole. She cried rivers of trees. The clock is tickled loudly. He is a shining star. The dog barked angrily. She cried rivers of trees. This is the hyperbole. Which sentence contains hyperbole? He is as tall as mountain. The stars danced in the sky. The car roared to the light. Time is a thief. He is as tall as mountain. It contains a hyperbole. I'm so hungry I could eat a horse. What is figure of speech? Hyperbole, simile, metaphor or personification? This sentence is example of hyperbole. Following are the MCQs based on onomatopoeia. Which of the following is the example of onomatopoeia? The door creaked open. The sun is shining brightly. She sings like a bird. The cake was delicious. The door creaked open. This is example of onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia refers to words that imitate sounds, exaggeration, direct comparison, giving human qualities to objects. Onomatopoeia refers to words that imitate sounds. Which uses onomatopoeia? The bee buzzed around the flowers. The room was quiet as a library. The wind howled in the night. Both A and C are the right options. Identify the onomatopoeia. Bang, the door slammed shut. The boy is as brave as a lion. She has a heart of gold. He runs faster than the wind. Bang, the door slammed shut. This is an onomatopoeia. Which of the following is not onomatopoeia? Bark, meow, beautiful, hiss. Beautiful is not onomatopoeia. Following are the MCQs based on irony. Irony is a figure of speech that means the opposite of what is said. Compared to things involve exaggeration, describes sound. Irony is a figure of speech that refers to means that opposite of what is said. Which sentence contains irony? The fire station burned down. She is as kind as an angel. He is as busy as a bee. The car zoomed past us. The fire station burned down is an example of irony. What a pleasant day, said during a storm. What is this figure of speech? Irony, simile, hyperbole, or metaphor? Irony is said in this sentence. Which type of irony is present when the audience knows something that characters do not? Verbal irony, situational irony, dramatic irony, or alliteration? Dramatic irony is the right answer. Which of the following is a situational irony? A pilot is afraid of heights. He is as strong as an ox. The cat meowed loudly. She is the apple of my eye. A pilot is afraid of height is a situational irony. Following are the mixed MCQs for your test. He is the black sheep of my family. What is figure of speech? Metaphor, simile, personification, or irony? He is black sheep of my family is a metaphor. The silence was defending. This is an example of hyperbole, onomatopoeia, simile, or metaphor. Hyperbole is the right answer. Which of the following is a figure of speech? Hyperbole, simile, metaphor, all of the above. All of the above is the correct answer. The thunder grumbled like an old man. This is an example of simile and personification, hyperbole, metaphor, onomatopoeia. Simile and personification are the right answers. Which of these shows alliteration? Sally sells seashells by the seashore. He runs like the wind. She is a shining star. The car zoomed past us. Option A is the correct. These are additional and mixed MCQs. Her eyes sparkled like diamonds. What is the figure of speech? Simile, because like is used to compare diamond and her eyes. The waves kissed the shores. Which of the following is a figure of speech? Personification, because waves have given human qualities. She has the patience of a saint. What is figure of speech? Metaphor. I am so hungry I could eat a horse. What is figure of speech? Hyperbole, because here it is exaggeration. Tick tock goes the clock. What is figure of speech? Onomatopoeia. The sun set with a golden smile. What is figure of speech? Personification. Life is a journey. What is figure of speech here? Metaphor. The curtains waved goodbye in the wind. What is figure of speech here? Personification. The child is as playful as kitten. What is the figure of speech? Simile, because as is used for comparison. The book waved a ton. What is figure of speech? Hyperbole. The early bird catches the worm. What is figure of speech? Metaphor. The stars winked at us. What is figure of speech here? Personification. The engine roared to life. What is figure of speech? Onomatopoeia is the right answer.